In today's video, we are going to see how to install PaceConnect, how to use Qentinel Pace to execute test cases on a local PC by using web and computer vision based robots. Now before that, let's first see what actually is PaceConnect. Now often Pace robots are normally running in the cloud, but then there are use cases when test execution on the local workstation or a server is required. This could be because of the firewall policies or that the system under test is just not accessible through the cloud. So PaceConnect comes in the picture and it's a connection between Qentinel Pace and the local applications under test. Now my name is Nikhil, let's get started. First you need to install PaceConnect, and for that you need to go to your organization view in Pace, click on PaceConnect Agents button. Click the Windows button to download the Windows PaceConnect installer, but there is also a Docker option available for Linux and Mac environments. Once downloaded, it's available in your Downloads folder from where you can install it. It might take a couple of minutes, after which run it and you can see that it is waiting for a Pace connection token. To fetch that token, we need to go back to the PaceConnect Agents view in Qentinel Pace. There is a plus sign, click it, provide a name for your Connect agent, and then click on Save button. With that, the token is generated. You copy it by clicking it, go back to the PaceConnect, paste the token, and then it is all ready for test execution. Now let's spin it. For that, let's go back to Pace. I have a project called PaceConnect there already created for you. And first what we'll do is we need to add a robot. Let's name it as a PaceConnect number 1, if you will. Select run environment as PaceConnect and then click on the Save button. And next we need to create a test suite. Let's use a predefined starter suite. All you need to do is click on the Run button and wait. And did you see that the Chrome browser opened on my PC and then there were several test cases executed? And test results are also available here. Now let's look at the content of a test suite of the OCR robot. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. You can see that the test cases for WordPad application are designed using Paceword technique. Let's try to run the test suite. And that was Qentinel Pace computer vision. To summarize it, I initiated a test run from cloud, from browser, and that made a connection to my local machine, and the test cases were executed in my local machine, and the results were then sent back to Qentinel Pace in the cloud. See you next time. Bye for now.